Hello guys, welcome to Vegan Made Yummy. My name is Heidi and today we are making fruit pizza. This recipe is low in cholesterol. The health benefits are heart healthy and cancer fighting. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, make your favorite cookie dough. For this cookie recipe, soak 1 cup of raw cashews in hot water for about 20 minutes. Then add it to a blender with 2/3 cups of water and blend well. Then add half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of energy egg replacer, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Blend well. After that, sift together 1 cup of unbleached white flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then combine the cashew mixture with the flour and mix well. Place cookie dough on pizza pan, spreading well to filling open areas. Bake until slightly golden brown, then set out to cool. While you wait, blend together 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of whipped cream, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Spread on cookie pizza and top with fruits like blueberries, strawberries, grapes, raspberries, mangoes, and kiwis. Then slice into pieces and serve. This is the end result, a sweet and delicious fruit pizza. Stay tuned for more vegan made yummy recipes.